Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin has broken below the critical 96,500 level, which had acted as short-term support since last week's sharp V-shaped recovery. We are now resting near the next support level of 95,000. With the weekend over and markets gearing up, ETF players may see this as another chance to buy the dip. Let us see how this resolves. What is concerning is the buildup of long liquidation leverage on the heat map between 94,000 to 192,900. With the market leaning bearish and these levels so close to the current price, we could easily see a dip toward that zone. If you are in a long position like me, you need to be prepared. Use conditional orders near your liquidation price to add to your position and lower your entry price if it aligns with your risk profile. Always calculate your risk and plan for worst-case scenarios. On the upside, the heat map shows clusters of short liquidations at 98,500, 99,500, 102,500, and even 111,000. Shorts are clearly dominating the market, but these levels could be targets for price movement upward if we get bullish momentum. Market sentiment shows 49% of traders are bearish, with only 14% being very bullish and 19% bullish. Neutral sentiment accounts for 18%. This skew towards bearishness reflects the cautious tone of the market right now. Looking at Bitcoin's monthly returns for December, we are currently sitting at negative 1.32%. This is unusual for a halving year. Historically, December during halving cycles has been much stronger. For example, Q4 returns in 2016 were positive 58.17%, and in 2020, they hit positive 168.02%. Right now, 2024 is at positive 50.04%, the lowest of the bunch. There is definitely room to the upside if history rhymes again. For the sat stackers out there, let us talk about some big moves by Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. The Saylor tracker shows their recent purchases. On December 16th, MicroStrategy bought 15,350 Bitcoin at an average price of $100,386. On December 9th, they acquired 21,550 Bitcoin at an average price of $98,783. On December 2nd, they purchased 15,400 Bitcoin at an average price of $95,976. These purchases are slightly in the red, but their overall strategy remains wildly successful. With an average purchase price of $61,694 and a total Bitcoin amount of 439,000, they are currently sitting on a 54.86% gain, up $14.8 billion. If you are bearish, ask yourself, are you really smarter than Saylor? In other news, Michael Saylor has reportedly suggested that Jeff Bezos invests $600 million into Bitcoin. While some view this as a positive move for Bitcoin's adoption, others criticize it as a way to artificially pump Bitcoin's price. Finally, there is an interesting rumor circulating about the United Arab Emirates. According to CZ, the former CEO of Binance, the UAE allegedly holds $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. While this claim is unverified, it has sparked discussions about the country's potential crypto strategy. If you found value in this analysis, join the Discord for real-time insights. Like the video to help the channel grow, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.